How to make Facebook account private. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can make your Facebook account private. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Facebook. Locate the Facebook app and then open it up. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can then head over to your profile, tap on your profile icon. After that, you should be on your profile. Now, making your Facebook account private is basically locking your account. So to do that, tap on the three dots right beside edit profile. Then after you do that, you'll find the lock profile option. Tap on it and then tap on lock your profile. After you tap on it, your profile will get locked, which is basically anyone other than your friends will not be able to see your account. And that's how you can make your Facebook account private, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.